But I'm really living it, you know? Yeah, I'm saying like that. I'm a young nigga, only 20, but I'm living it. In the house, rolling weed, watching Wiz and shit. Can't feel the pressure when you're on a different planet. That's why I'm rolling trees, trying to figure out my balance. With so many talents, your movements is very critical. We playing chess, not checkers, need my residuals. But that's the blueprint. Right now, we in the moment. I'll be blowing on these trees, damn, so potent. Smoking in the rain, wipe my tears away. 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 Every day put in the work so I can keep my good energy. Real life motto, kill all enemies. Anything in my way, this Hennessy tasting great. The feeling I'm feeling now, I'm hoping don't fade away. I'm changing in major ways, I made me a major play. Now this the biggest wave, we on the biggest stage. They done seen me go through all the phases. They done seen me go through all the phases.